Assalamualaikum semuanya, selamat datang di channel Obrolan Fighter. Melupakan sejenak Arman Tsarukyan, kita fokus dulu kepada beberapa pertarungan yang benar-benar terjadi. Dimana kita lihat Renato Moicano yang hanya berada di ranking 10 kelas Lightweight, tapi walaupun rankingnya teramat jauh, tentu yang namanya short notice itu adalah masalah besar bagi fighter sehebat apapun. Salah satu buktinya adalah ketika Khabib berhadapan dengan fighter ranking 11. Khabib tidak bisa menghabisi Al Iaquinta karena tidak ada persiapan sama sekali untuk menghadapi Al Iaquinta. Dan tentu Moicano ini adalah underdog, bahkan dianggap lawan yang paling tidak mungkin bisa mengalahkan Islam Makhachev. Tapi gue jadi khawatir karena dulu Leon Edwards dianggap orang yang paling tidak mungkin bisa mengalahkan Kamaru Usman karena kemampuannya yang dulu dinilai terlalu jauh, apalagi Usman dalam masa primanya dan rekor yang sangat panjang. Dan selangkah lagi memecahkan rekor sebagai win streak terpanjang sepanjang masa di UFC. Tapi justru Usman kalah bukan dari tangan rivalnya, yaitu Colby Covington atau prime-nya Jorge Masvidal, tapi kalah dari kakinya Leon Edwards. Ya itulah MMA, apapun bisa terjadi. Menanggapi short notice ini, baik Renato Moicano dan Islam Makhachev pun berkata,
Renato Moicano, I know this is something you wanted for a long time, but what is it like to get the call on one day's notice?
I don't give a f. I cannot afford to f***ing lose, and that's true. Doesn't matter if it's the champion or not, tomorrow I'm winning.
Good luck to you, sir. I can't wait to see it. Renato Moicano, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here with the champion. Islam, what is it like for you to...
This is all for you guys.
Does anything change with a difference of opponent?
No, same. Smash my opponent, that's it. No matter who is gonna be in front of me, let's go.
Good luck to you, sir. The champion, ladies and gentlemen. We will see you all tomorrow night. Thank you very much for coming out.
Dan berikut komentar salah satu pelatih paling sukses di dunia, yaitu Javier Mendez.
Coach Javier Mendez, pretty crazy morning, right? Pretty crazy morning for the MMA community.
Yeah, pretty crazy morning, but you know, we have the best pound-for-pound fighter in the world who doesn't care who's in front of him. You make 155, he doesn't care. You change the opponent. You can change the opponent while we're walking into the cage, and he's not going to care because that's how good he is.
Was there any thought during this camp that there might be any sort of injury or anything like that? I know you kind of always go into a camp being not 100% sure that your opponent is the guy you're going to see on the scale, but what was the thoughts during this camp?
Well, the thoughts was we make weight. And if he's there, we fight him. If not, we fight whoever's there. That's the mentality we have from Khabib's father, the late, great one, to Khabib, to me. That's what we talk about. You make weight, you're the champion, you fight whoever. It doesn't matter. Any speech you hear from any of Team Khabib, they all tell you, they don't care. They don't pick our opponents. We'll fight whoever. We're the champion. To prove you're the champion, you fight anybody.
And Islam Makhachev, he's always been pretty adamant on, he's kind of been...
So there you go. I mean, come on. Keeps defending against anybody. It didn't take him 4 years to fight one time. He fights twice a year, 3 times if possible. So there you go. That's the real champ.
And as far as the game plan, I know you can't give too much away, but what do you look for in a guy like Renato Moicano?
Oh, I just saw him right now. I never seen him before until this morning. So I looked at him. There's some holes that he has, and we're gonna expose him. Islam's gonna expose him. So we'll see what he can do. Where he can capitalize on what we do, but we're gonna definitely capitalize on his mistakes for sure.
Good luck to you guys, and man, crazy morning. Appreciate you taking the time, bro.
Untuk kartu pertarungan dibuka oleh pertarungan di kartu prelims antara Tagir Ulanbekov yang didampingi oleh Khabib Nurmagomedov melawan Clayton Carpenter. UFC ini Tagir Ulanbekov hanya kalah sekali dari 5 pertarungan, yaitu kalah dengan cara yang kotor dari tim Elliot. Pertarungan berikutnya, di main card, ada fighter debutan jebolan One Championship yang sedang sangat bermasalah dan fighternya sedang berhamburan, yaitu mantan double champ di kelas middleweight dan kelas light heavyweight, akan melawan fighter paling aktif di UFC, yaitu Kevin Holland. Pertarungan berikutnya, Sergey Spivak yang berada di ranking 7 kelas heavyweight akan melawan fighter yang sempat punya rekor sangat fantastis, yaitu Jailton Almeida yang kini berada di ranking 6 kelas heavyweight. Pertarungan berikutnya, Jiri Prochazka datang dengan Ashley yang menderita kanker, dan dengan sangat teramat gentlenya, Jiri Prochazka mempersilahkan Ashley untuk naik tangga lebih dulu. Wah, benar-benar kesatria Jiri Prochazka. Pertarungan ini tentu sangat memanjakan mata antara dua fighter yang baru saja dirampas gelarnya oleh Alex Pereira. Pertarungan berikutnya, Umar Nurmagomedov datang didampingi oleh Khabib Nurmagomedov. Sedangkan Merab datang dengan sangat meyakinkan. Ini adalah perebutan sabuk kelas bantamweight sekaligus title fight pertama bagi Umar Nurmagomedov. Pertarungan berikutnya, Renato Moicano yang seharusnya melawan Beneil Dariush harus menjadi pengganti Arman Tsarukyan yang mundur dari pertarungan. Dan lagi-lagi, Khabib Nurmagomedov hadir untuk mendampingi sang pound for pound yang siap melawan siapapun, yaitu Islam Makhachev. Ini adalah perebutan sabuk kelas lightweight, di mana Islam akan membuat dua rekor sekaligus. Lagian juga aneh, kenapa title fight nggak punya backup, apalagi ini main event. Tapi gue rasa emang gak ada yang mau jadi backup, karena takut semua. Termasuk Ilia Topuria gue rasa juga takut. Nah, pertarungan mana yang paling teman-teman tunggu? Silahkan tulis di kolom komentar ya. Sekian dan terima kasih.